In this video, I'll be going through how you guys can make around $1 per minute using Google. And basically with this method of making money online, you'll simply be watching ads or you'll be doing some micro tasks related to watching ads. Now, this is a really good money making opportunity for anyone that is living outside the US because here you could do this from just about any country. And also, most of these online tasks that you can do online, even though sometimes you can do them from just about anywhere, usually the only method of payout is PayPal. And then PayPal, although it is in a lot of countries, it's not in every single country. So the good thing about these methods are that you have access to additional payout methods. So PayPal is included, but then you could get gift cards, you could also get crypto, and you could also donate your earnings. So a really good place to make money for anyone that is outside the US. If you're inside the US, then that works as well. Also, making $1 per minute is typical if you're inside the US. Now, if you're outside the US, you may be able to do that, but it really just depends because these ads or watching these ads or doing these micro tasks will have a different rate of compensation depending on your location, because the general idea here is that depending on your country or your location, you may or you may not have the disposable income, and how much disposable income you have is questionable depending on your location. So maybe inside the US you may be coming across ads that will pay you a higher rate than if you were in another country, but people have reported making several $100s on these websites and on these platforms. So still a really good place to make some money if all you want to do is watch ads, do other micro tasks that are related to watching ads. So we're going to get into that. Be sure to stick around to the very end of this video because I'm going to be covering probably 3 different platforms that you guys can use to make up to $1 per minute, and in some cases you could be making several $100s per hour depending on your location as well and how quickly you're able to get through these ads or do these micro tasks. So the first one we want to get into is going to be Telus International. Now, this is a website or a company that I've covered before. They do have full-time jobs and they have a bunch of side gigs that you could do here. But if you go over to their AI community, this is where you'll find money making methods where all you really have to do is to watch ads. So if you type ads right here, this will show you all the jobs that are related to ads. So currently they have several positions here. Personalized internet ads assessor. From time to time you'll find different opportunities here, and currently they have this in many different countries or many different languages as well. And we have over 5 pages of this type of job right here. So if you take a look at one of these, for example, to see what the job entails here. So personalized internet ads assessor, and this one is completely remote, but you need to be in Portugal. That you could go through the list here and you could find the job for your country, but you need to select the one that is for your country and you need to be living in that country, the one that you're applying in, for the past 3 consecutive years. So that is a requirement. Now in this job, this is what you'll be doing. You'll review online ads in order to improve their content, quality, and layout. You will be required to provide feedback and analysis on advertisement found in search engine results, and then provide ratings on their relevance to the search terms used. Also, you will review the language used in advertisements by examining the grammar, tone, and cultural relevance. So this is just basically what you'll be doing in these jobs. Now for this one, they don't list what they're paying, but usually these are paying at least $15 per hour. That's the rate. Now some of these are paid on a project basis and they may give you a certain amount of time. So it could be a day to 2 days, and then you'd get paid like $250 to $500 depending on the project. Also, the highest hourly rate I've seen here was just about $35 per hour, and I did see some of these that were paying over $500 for just the project, which you could complete in just about a day. So really good paying opportunities here, and basically all you're doing is watching ads and then you're rating the ads based on the guidelines that they're giving you, and for that you can get paid some really good money here. So this is the first thing that you guys could look into. I'll leave the link down below. Now, secondly, you could find similar AI related positions. For example, this one is at CrowdGen by Appen. Now, this isn't a ads job per se, but it is related. From time to time, they do have actual ads positions here where you simply just watch ads online or watch videos and you get paid to do so. But in this task, this is what you'll be doing. So you will watch and evaluate short form videos on specific social media platforms, and then your insights will help them to gauge how well these platforms cater to user preferences. So it is similar to watching ads. You're watching short videos, and most of these videos are going to be videos of 30 seconds or less. So you're going to watch and evaluate a total of 750 videos across 3 platforms, and this job is going to be paying you per the task. So for watching these 750 videos, accurately entering the data for each video into the tool that they provide, and then provide feedback and metrics after reviewing the videos. For this one, you need to be in the United States, but on this website, on this company, you guys can find this in other countries as well. And this is paying just about $300 for this entire project, and they're estimating that you can complete this in just about 2 days. 25 hours is 2 days, so depending on how much time you have available, you could complete this in a day or two, and you could make around $300 for doing so. Now, this is one in the United States, but if you take a look at their listing page here, you'll see that these jobs or these micro tasks here are available in different countries and also in different languages. So even if you're not inside the US, I mean, this is another really good way to make some money by simply watching ads or watching videos. Now, similarly, we have other websites like Welocalize here that does the same type of thing, where you will do similar tasks. So for this particular one, Scout Search Quality Rater, so this is related to ads. In this position, you will use your unique gifts of understanding people's intentions to improve the online search engine experience. And the main goal for this project is to develop and augment AI data. And basically, you'll provide subjective and objective ratings based on project rules and conventions. And for this one, it's in American English. They have this in different countries and different languages as well. And for this position, also, they didn't really list what you get paid here, but again, usually these start out, if they're full-time, they start out at $15 per hour. That's the minimum. Sometimes you could get paid up to $30 per hour. If it's a project by project basis, then you'd make several $100s for one project. And again, they have this position in different countries, different languages, and they have other related ads positions here as well. So this is a great place to find these type of ads jobs, where you can simply watch ads or do something related to that, some type of micro task related to that, and you can make some money by doing so. So link is down below. Now, another place that you guys could go to is this platform. This is Swash. Now here you get to download their browser plugin, or you could download their app, and you get paid for simply just watching ads. And that's all you're doing. You get paid for doing so. There's a video here that you guys can watch that breaks down how you actually get paid. But apart from watching ads, there are other things that you can do here as well. So first of all, from clicks to cash, this is a online hub where you simply get paid money for being active and completing tasks online. And this is a way to make some extra money. Simply, all you have to do is to install the browser plugin, and you get paid to do so. Now, the way this works, just in case you guys are wondering, the way this works is that usually when you go on websites, even though you may not know this, they're actually taking all the data that you input on that website and they're selling it on the back end. And this is why, for example, sometimes you go to Google search and you may search for something. So for example, let's say you go on there and you're searching for a particular clothing item, shoes maybe, and you find it or you don't find it, but then your Facebook feed or your Instagram feed, or just by using your phone or TV, you keep seeing ads of things that are similar to what you were searching for. And that's because they're selling your data. And when they sell your data, they actually get paid for doing so. So what this platform is doing is that they're going to allow you to get paid and get compensated for this data that is being sold to third parties to then market other similar products to you. So this way, instead of getting, nothing back from when these companies are selling your data, at least you're getting something back here. So even if you're not actually watching ads, as long as you install this browser plugin, you can literally earn cash by just doing whatever you usually would online. Keep browsing, keep playing games, be on social media, do whatever you would normally do, and you would earn money this way. Now, secondly, you get paid. Well, this is what we just spoke about. You get paid by surfing the web. So here it says your data is sold all the time, but you don't receive anything for it. That's not cool. Swash redistributes the profits your data generates to you. So you simply just browse the web as normal and you earn as you surf. Another method here is to view ads and get rewards. So here, if you opt into seeing the ads from Swash, you'll get paid and they'll thank you for your attention. So now you can actually watch ads and get paid for doing so. And also with Swash, you can get paid for completing tasks as well whenever you want some more cash. So by browsing, you make money, but you may not be making $1 per minute. By watching the ads, you may be getting just a few cents per ad. But with these tasks here that you can complete, these will actually make you more money. So if you want to earn the highest amount possible here, then you'd have to do as many tasks as you possibly can, and that will help you to make a lot more money here than simply just downloading the browser plugin, using that, or watching the ads. Also, in the event that you don't really need the cash, you can donate your earnings. So let's say you did install that browser plugin and you don't really need the cash, then you can donate all your earnings to charity, and you could choose your favorite charity after downloading this plugin. So a really simple, easy, straightforward way to make some extra cash. And if we take a look here, they've paid over 7 million. They have over 15,000 offers available. The average task completion time is 5 minutes, and they have over 1,000 options for you to redeem your earnings here. So this is what I was speaking about before. So you could redeem with PayPal, you could redeem with a gift card like a Visa, MasterCard. You could redeem at your favorite store like IKEA, Sephora, or some other store, probably Nike, wherever you want, Starbucks, Xbox, Ticketmaster. Or if you'd like, you can redeem your earnings in crypto. So for those of you that are watching from overseas and you're in a country where they don't allow PayPal and the usual form of online payment methods, and for this reason you're not able to earn online, this is another good opportunity, because here you can get paid in crypto and you can access that from just about anywhere, and that is a really good plus. Now, just in case you guys have never heard about this before, I mean, for Telus International, CrowdGen by Appen, and Welocalize, you could probably go to Glassdoor to see reviews of people doing these tasks and what they had to say about them, to see how much people actually reported making and the legitimacy of these. And I've covered some of these before, so you'll definitely find some good reviews. Now, Swash is new, but I was able to find them on Trustpilot. Fair enough ratings here, 4 out of 5 stars, so fairly good. If we take a look at some of the reviews here, so this first one is not in English, so I won't be able to read that. This one here is from Brazil. I think this person has a question. Here's one in English. I've been using Swash about 1 year. You do need nothing to earn crypto like other projects. Just install the extension and start earning. It isn't disturbed, or I guess they're trying to say it's not disturbing the searching on Google Chrome. So this is a good review. Basically, all they're saying is that you have to download, or all you have to do rather, is to download the browser extension, and you could get paid for doing so and just doing whatever you normally would online. Here is another review, another 5-star review. Swash is a game changer in the world of data, and I couldn't be more impressed. In an age where our data is often exploited without our consent, Swash steps in to put the power back into our hands. What's truly unique about Swash is its first wave solutions. So this person liked Swash as well. Here is another review. Swash is creating a way for internet users to take back ownership of their data without removing it from the marketplace of advertising. You can now participate in the data economy and get paid for the harvesting of your data. And again, guys, your data is harvested and sold every single day while you're using the web without you knowing. So again, you're not profiting from your data being collected, but with an app like this or with a browser extension like this, at least you're getting something in return for your data that these websites are selling to third parties. So a really good micro task that you can complete here and make money online. And again, you could get paid in crypto or PayPal or with gift cards. So really good opportunity. So I'll leave all the links down below where you guys can find these websites so you guys can sign up for all or whichever ones you like the most. Now, just in case you were looking for my other type of content, which is work from home job videos, you'll find those on my second channel. If you haven't already done so, be sure to go over to my second channel if you are interested in full-time, part-time, overnight job with flexible schedules. So if you're looking for a full-time type of job, then I've moved that type of content over to my second channel. That is the work from home channel, this channel right here. And this is where I'm currently covering the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. So if that's the type of content you're looking for, you could find them here. Be sure to go over, subscribe, tap the notification bell right here, turn on all notifications. That way you get notified of when I post new job leads on this channel. But again, I'll leave the links down below for all these websites where you can get paid for completing these micro tasks. All the best with making money online. I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.